everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes. Here are all the items I use. I do use, of course, a cleaning brush mat. I really do like this one. It does have the bristles, of course, on the front. One side I do use for your eye brushes and then the other side for your face brushes. It does have this sectioning. I do have this cookie comb brush compact mirror. I do use it to just brush out the makeup brushes. And then I'm going to use the Dr. Bronner's soap. I also do add in a Tupperware jar where I just fill up the water. This is where I'm going to put in my sponges and a cutting board. Everything will be in the description box below. Now let's just go ahead and get right into this video. Here I'm just placing the mat in the sink. That way I can scrub the brushes here. Okay, so here I'm going to fill up the container with warm water and then just put in my beauty sponges here. I do let these soak until I'm done cleaning my makeup brushes. Here I'm going to do the same in just a regular bowl. This is going to be for my makeup brushes. Okay, so pretty simple process. I get the makeup brush, I dip it into the bowl, I then scrub on the mat, and then I rinse down the mat, I rinse the makeup brush, and I squeeze the brush just to let out all the water, and then I just constantly repeat it until I'm done with all the makeup brushes. Yuck. So I have quite a few brushes that look like this. I'm glad I am doing this. It was definitely time to clean them. Here I am just going in a circular motion, just that way I'm making sure I'm getting absolutely all the makeup off. You could see they're way better, definitely more cleaner. Okay, so the process is to dip the brush in the bowl, clean the brush on the mat, and then we are going to rinse the mat and squeeze the brush, and repeat. Alright, so another pretty dirty makeup brush, but I do want to mention that you do want to be cleaning your brushes every so often. It really does depend on how often you wear makeup. For example, me, I wear makeup about once a month. I'm exaggerating, but that's pretty much how I feel. So I do clean my brushes, if not every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks. But if you are a type of person that wears makeup every day throughout the week, I would recommend cleaning your brushes every week. Okay, so here's the part where you're probably wondering as to why I have a cookie comb. I do like to use this just to brush out the bristles. Okay, so here's where I'm using the cutting board. The first makeup brush, I do put the top of the makeup brush underneath the first rubber band, and then the bottom of the makeup brush underneath the last rubber band, and then the second makeup brush, I put it through the middle of the rubber band, and then I just repeat this process. And of course, once I run out of room in the front, I do jump to the back. Again, I am just brushing the brushes and then putting them on the cutting board. Okay, so now that I am done, I'm going to be standing the makeup brushes up. I am going to put them downwards, that way the water doesn't go up into the brushes. Lastly, with an alcohol pad, you want to make sure you're cleaning the brush handle as well, not just the brush, because this will definitely keep your brushes long lasting. Definitely recommend doing this. Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I really do hope this was very helpful for you to do yourselves now.